friends, Abhrajita here. I'm back with my new video और आज का वीडियो है साड़ी draping for the festive look, and it will also include some styling tips and jewelry and makeup. Oh, I just forgot to tell you guys about my new hairstyle. Yes, I got it chopped off from my own salon. Yes, just before the lockdown, thankfully. I was just sick and tired of my look. That's why I decided to get this bob. You could call it an A-line bob or a normal bob. And I was just really fed up of my, shag or layers, whatever you call it. So this is another challenge today, really, because sari and this bob will have some difficulty getting into the mood, but I'm going to keep my fingers crossed guys, and मैं आपको कुछ स्टाइलिंग टिप्स बताऊंगी जिससे कि जिसके लंबे बाल है या जिसके मेरे तरह छोटे बाल है वो दोनों ही अपना साड़ी स्टाइल कर सके किसी वेडिंग में जाने के लिए, किसी इवेंट में जाने के लिए या कोई फंक्शन कुछ भी हो. सो जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू ब्रिंग टू यू राइट नाउ. तो शुरू करते हैं. तो जैसे मैं आप सबको हर वक्त बताती हूँ, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू क्लींस योर फेस, विच आई ऑलरेडी डिड, and after that I have also applied a skin toner, and now I am going to apply a moisturizer. और आप सबको मैं हमेशा बताती हूँ कि हमेशा अपवर्ड स्ट्रोक्स में करिए आपका मॉइस्चराइजिंग, क्लींजिंग, टोनिंग. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू कीप योर स्किन taut for a long time. उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलेगा. संतूर का ऐड याद है ना आप लोगों को? इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट. एंड ऑलवेज कीप अ क्लीन पैलेट. फेस पे कोई बाल नहीं आना चाहिए जब आप मेकअप कर रहे हो, रेडी हो रहे हो. ऑलवेज कीप दिस इन माइंड. दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी बेसिक, बट स्टिल मैनी पीपल मेक दिस मिस्टेक. एंड थोड़ा नज़दीक आती हूँ मैं. यहाँ वेस्ट बंगाल में गर्मी बहुत है, इसीलिए थोड़े रैशेज़ आ गए हैं, बट उतने नोटिसेबल भी नहीं है. जैसे मैं फाउंडेशन लगाऊंगी वो चले जाएंगे. एंड टुडे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ क्रायोलान, मैक और एनी प्रोफेशनल प्रोडक्ट. आई विल बी यूजिंग आवर प्लेन ओल्ड लैक्मे नेचुरल मार्बल. ये फाउंडेशन मुझे बहुत सूट करता है. इसका नेचुरल मार्बल में मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ अपने ऊपर. और जिन लोगों का थोड़ा डार्क कॉम्प्लेक्शन है, वीटिश टू डार्क कॉम्प्लेक्शन, दे कैन यूज़ Lakme natural shell. That is another shade. And I have very less pores also, so that's why I don't use a pore minimizing primer, which you people can use. Maybelline has good pore minimizing primer, and the primer from Color Bar is also very good. You can even use the sponge. I don't need it. I am comfortable with my fingers. इसका मैं आपको एक रीज़न बता दे रही हूँ. हमारे स्किन से, हमारे ये फिंगर पैड से जो हीट निकलता है उससे ब्लेंडिंग में आसानी होती है. जो मेहनत आपको स्पंज से करना पड़ता है या इस फाउंडेशन ब्रश से करना पड़ता है उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा ब्लेंडिंग होता है. वेल, दिस इज़ माई आउटलुक. Different makeup artists have a different outlook. Many people are comfortable with their own thing, so it's totally up to them. It sometimes comes handy, and if you are using this, you need to use it in a dab motion. Don't brush it against the skin like this. Use it in a dabbing motion like this. Now what is the next step? You definitely know what the next step is, right? You have to apply the powder. Or if you want to contour, you can contour also. I will show you a little bit of contouring. Let me tell you one thing guys. I am not a big fan of contouring, but I'll show you a little bit. But today I'll do powder contouring. Okay. एक चीज़ मैं भूल गई बताना. If you want that pearly glow on your skin, then you should apply a bit of pearl illuminating lotion. I've got this from Swiss Beauty. It's really good. It will give you a nice sheen, a nice shine on your skin. A little bit goes a long way. So ज़्यादा देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. I'm done with it. And another thing guys, I always use a puff. It's old school, but I'm comfy with it. You can use a brush, you can use it, but I'm comfortable with a puff. and I do all my professional work with puff mostly. Puff and fingers work great for me. So what next? We can do the eyebrows next. So I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm brushing it upwards. This is a eyebrow brush that I'm using. I think that should do the trick. अब आप अपने आईब्रोज कितने बोल्ड चाहते हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करके आप ये कर सकते हैं. I have used black. You have the liberty of using brown also. If you're going for an evening festive look, it's better that you use black. It will help to accentuate the eyebrows. I'm done with the eyebrows basically. So there's a surprise. I just got my new Jaclyn Hill's palette today. And so I'm going to use it. देखते हैं कैसा है ये. Looks pretty good to me. All my favorite colors are there as well. So which eyeshadow look should I do today? I think I'll do the plain and simple one for today because I'll be concentrating more on the entire look, not only the makeup. Since this is going to be a festive look, I'll be using some shimmery shades. I'll show you the shades. I'll be using this shade. This is a coppery golden shade, and with that I'll use one as a highlighter, this one as a highlighter, and let me see. The sari which I'm going to style with this is near about this shade. It's like purple. So I'll keep this also handy for the corners, but the filling of the eye I'll do with the golden shimmery shade today. I think you can see pretty well. I've done this part. I'm doing this part now. I'm using this brush because I'm doing the corner thing, so I need a fluffy brush with a nice tapered end. This is it. This will give you the look. You have to put a little bit on the bottom lid also. I think you can understand. We'll move on to the next step. You can even contour a little bit at this point of time. I will use brown to the contouring. अगर आपका nose जो है वो thick है, you can do this. There are two options here. You can either do powder contouring and you can also do cream contouring. Professional makeup artists generally do cream contouring. But since I'm doing this for the common people, many of whom don't even know how to apply makeup, so it's convenient for them when they are going out for a party or something. So the next thing we will do is we'll apply the eyeliner. We have already applied the eyeliner. I think you can see I have used L18, nothing of a very expensive sort basically. So after this I'm going to apply the kajal. This is very important. Today I'll be using a powder kajal just like this. You can use a pencil kohl or a gel eyeliner also. This is a gel eyeliner. I'm not using this right now. There's a brush. It helps to apply the powder liner pretty well. It's powder, so it will be mess free. Yeah, we are done. See, this is going to be a festive look, so if you want you can also apply this golden liner on top of the black liner which I've applied. I'll do it in the end. I have gone a bit heavy on the eyes, so that is the reason I will be using a light lipstick, because the sari will be also very heavy, and with dark eyes, golden eyes, purple eyes, then heavy costume jewelry, a heavy looking sari and a bright lip, it will be too much for the onlooker. So I'll use a light color. Now there's another tip here. You can apply it directly or with a brush. Always do what is comfortable for you. Don't go by others. Don't go by what others are saying. If you feel comfortable in something, do that. This is the look. This is the face basically. And another tip, you can do it like this. It will look really elegant. Now I'll show you how to do the sari and what jewelry you can pair with this kind of a look.
गाइज आप लोगों के लिए मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स डाले हैं शॉर्ट हेयर में.
You can also sport this jura. This is going to be good. And one more thing is missing. You can add a red bindi on top of this. I'll have to arrange one. I don't have one currently. Well, I'll still show you. I'm going to show you this tied up hairstyle. This is a fishnet. I already used a thick rubber band, and on top of that you can apply this. This is false. You can use a real flower jura also. So that is the whole idea behind it. So देख के पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि मेरा जो हेयर कट है वो एकदम ए लाइन बॉब है अभी. So this is the perfect Indian look to go with it. So
गर्ल्स देखिए कुछ साड़ी ड्रेपिंग एंड स्टाइलिंग पिक्चर्स डाले हैं आपके लिए.
So let me know how you liked it, and I will be coming up with more such sari styling videos in future. This is just the trailer, dears.
ये लुक आज के मेरे एथनिक वेयर लुक के साथ जाता है.
Okay, if you like this, then please share it amongst your friends. If you want everyone to master the very intricacies of sari draping, then I'll come up with those videos also. This was a styling video, and subscribe, like and share my channel, guys, and I'll continue to entertain you and give you new ideas. Thank you so much.